welcome back to the channel. Today is the fall video, the long-awaited fall video. I have been waiting to decorate for fall since summer started. So today I'm going to be decorating my home in fall. I forgot to dress up as fall, but I'll do it at the end of the video. But yeah, it is fall officially, so happy fall. I live in Florida, so unfortunately we don't really get a fall. It's still giving much summer, but I'm still gonna decorate my home as if it is fall. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel if it's your first time watching. Hello, my name is Berry, and yeah, we're gonna get started. So right now I still have my summer vibe, so we're just gonna put all this away and get the fall things out. So I decided I'm not buying any new fall stuff. I have tons of decor. Only new thing I purchased was a rug for the front door, but I'm gonna keep all my stuff that I have upstairs in our closets, and I'm just gonna reuse them and move them around so I can save some money, because it's really not that deep for me to be buying new stuff unless I really see something I really want. But for the most part, I'm going to be using everything that I already have. Most of my fall shopping comes from Burlington, Hobby Lobby, and that's it, really. Those are the places I always get my fall decor. So if you have any questions on anything you see in this video, drop it down in the comments, and a little bit of Amazon. I do have a little bit of things from Amazon. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. We're going to work on the living room in this video, like the living room, dining room area. The bathrooms is going to be typically the same thing. I'm just changing out the shower curtain and the little bit of fixtures I will have in there, little pumpkins here and there. But for the most part, it's all going to be about the living room, the dining room, and just a tad bit of the bathrooms. But let's go ahead and get started. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Let's go upstairs.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all up. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like the motherfucking man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all up. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good, good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. my bed. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Catch a break. Better way. Oh, Mom and Dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak it, don't make sense now. Give it a cut, put that on cut when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go pull with that jump off my back. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Nigga catch a break. Better way. Oh, hey.
Is this what you want now? Feels like you're looking for something better. Uh-huh, uh-huh. Is this what you want now? Or is it because you can't forget her? Uh-huh, uh-huh. I can't keep pretending it's not getting to me. It's never ending. Can't give you what you need. You're misbehaving. Yeah, it's getting to me. It's never ending. You can give anything, so you can go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Yeah, so I can focus. I just need to focus on myself. Yeah, you better go, go, go. Go, 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 go. So I can focus. I just need to focus on myself. This is what I want now. And yeah, I'm waiting for something better. Yeah. This is what I want now. No, I won't settle for anything else. I can't keep pretending it's not getting to me. It's never ending. Can't give you what you need. Oh, no, no.